Hello to all, hope everyone's okay. And yeah, it's a Tuesday afternoon, blustery, horrible day today. A lot of rain showers, a lot of rain. So just thought I'd do a quick video, and was supposed to be working, but I cancelled one of the jobs. I was supposed to be doing one of the small projects. I didn't fancy doing it because of various reasons, and I pulled out of doing the little project. So I've got a few days off and just chilling out again in the attic, doing a few things. I've just bought another loco there, which I'll show in a minute, on the floor. That's another bargain basement, or whatever you want to call it. I'll show that in a minute. I'll just pan around. Grey and horrible. It's going to be another shower, I reckon, or a bit of thunder maybe this afternoon. And it's mid-May 2026, so a lot of rain, but we've got a lot of sunshine coming in the next week or so, so that's good. Yeah, so here we go on the desk again. Got a few things going on. Actually converting some slides from about 35 years ago into digital format, which that's another little project I got going on the desk at the moment. Some historical pictures. There's the train controller. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to launch, I've put a bunch of schedules together. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to launch 3 rail cars. So I'm going to launch the French re-rail car there. I'm going to launch there's a couple of rail cars in the station at the far end, which is just starting up, the start-up procedures. So I've got a Roco Trans-European Express rail car and a small Renault remodeled rail car that's starting up. And I've also got the little Roble as well, which is going to do a little circuit, which is the digital rail version of it, sorry, the digital crane version of it. And you can see one rail car moving off now. All the routes have been set. There's going to be a delay on the departure of the cream and red rail car. Got the little Roble there with a digital crane arm, the high-ab on the back, which is working. That's pulling off now. I'll just zoom out again. So there is the Trans-European Express rail car coming around, and then we've got the re-rail car coming out, platform 1. That's coming out nicely. That's going to go through this really sharp cutting there and join main line number 1. So that's all set, and then the Renault rail car should have clearance to go and leave that platform, that side platform. That should pull out about now. Oh, any second now anyway. Oh, there we go. That's pulling off. That's all looking nice. Yeah, so we've got quite a few movements going on here now. Got the re-rail car, the other Renault rail car, a larger one, the green and cream one, which is a beautiful model. That's picking up speed. That was bought from A&H Models. Fantastic shop. We've got them coming around really smooth now. It's just a bit of variety compared to, like say running goods trains or the fast, high-speed passenger trains. And these look absolutely fantastic, they really do. Especially this one here, the Renault, the green one is absolutely beautiful. Yeah, so we've got the little roble. It's coming around the back end of the yard, through underneath the crane, around the back end of the roundhouse, following up the side of the very large transformer heavy load wagon. Comes up through underneath the crane. That will eventually park up on this side in here. Yeah, so all very good. So let's have a look at this loco which I mentioned. So this is a bargain basement, an M62 class from Roco. Paid 69 quid for this. It's virtually brand new with all the accessory parts. I'm going to drop in an 8-pin block pilot V5 standard. This is a stunning little loco, this. Beautiful. Was going to drop sound in, but I'm not sure whether I can get sound in that, so I'll do a quick install on that and get that running. So back to the layout again over here. Let's have a look, see what's going on. So the next movement will be the green and cream Renault rail car. That will come in on platform 4, I think. Oh, that's a beauty, that. Oh, that's all nice. I've got the Class 66s on standby there. Right, so we've got a new route set. We've got 2 new routes set. We've got the green Renault. I think that's gonna come into the station now, the main station. It's gone from platform 1 to platform 4, I think. We've got the roble that's reversing back into the siding. Let's see where this is gonna. This should come into this platform here, and this should just stop just short of them buffers. There we go. And that'll do the shutdown sequence. Platform announcement. And then we've got the roble doubling back on itself. And that is just going to stop in front on the side of the Unimat. And that should do a shutdown sequence. And then we've got the next movement will be the Trans-European Express diesel rail car. That's going to come across from the centre main line through double slit. Through that double slit there, through another double slit on the right hander, through that right hand point, back out onto the outer main line. Go through the tunnel, and the other rail car has parked up, but you can't see it's behind the main station, or sorry, the small station, but you can see it there. That's done its run, so, and then the last train to come back in is the Trans-European Express. is coming around now nicely, and that is going to go back into platform 4 and park up just behind that rail car there. So it's coming in nice and slow. There it comes. That's it, all nice and easy, and then it'll do the shutdown sequence. All those trains will shut down, shut the engines down, all the lighting will turn off, and they'll go into dormant mode. So that is it on this little running session, which is all fully automatic. To finish the video off, as you can see, that rain is absolutely pelting it down now. So yeah, I'm glad I'm inside the attic today, having fun, not outside. Really, really heavy rain. It's going to be like this for probably next few days until we get towards the weekend, and then it'll start brightening up and next week will be sunny. So yep, I'll just sign off here, and thanks again for watching.